"This is the best pasta fagioli that I've ever tasted, and I was raised on the stuff," comments one member. "What I love most is that it is affordable, easy, and delicious." Thanks to the Allrecipes member who submitted this great soup recipe. First, we'll prep fresh tomatoes by removing the skins and seeds. Bring a medium pot of water to a boil. Make a large bowl of ice water and set that to the side. Wash 2 tomatoes and remove the stems. Make shallow X's at the bottom of tomatoes with a small, sharp knife. These will help later when it's time to peel the tomatoes. Now, plunge the tomatoes into the boiling water and allow them to cook for about 60 seconds or just until the X begins to peel back and the tomato skin breaks. If you don't feel like peeling and chopping fresh tomatoes, some members use a 14.5-ounce can of diced tomatoes with the juice instead. Using a slotted spoon, remove the tomatoes and immerse them in ice water. Let the tomatoes sit in the ice bath for at least 5 minutes. Now, once the tomatoes have been chilled, remove them from the ice water. Then peel and discard the tomato skin. If the skin is stubborn, use a small, sharp paring knife to remove the pieces of skin that will not budge, being careful not to squeeze the tomato. Cut tomatoes in half horizontally. Scoop out and discard the seeds. Then dice the tomatoes. Chop 2 stalks of celery. Chop a medium onion. Chop 3 medium cloves of garlic. Next, heat about a tablespoon of oil in a large pot over medium heat. Add the celery, the onion, the garlic, 2 teaspoons of dried parsley, 1 teaspoon of Italian seasoning, a 1/4 teaspoon of crushed red pepper flakes, and salt to taste. Cook, stirring often, until the vegetables have softened, about 5 minutes. Stir in a 14.5-ounce can of chicken broth. The tomatoes, and an 8-ounce can of tomato sauce. Bring the mixture to a boil, reduce the heat to low, and simmer the soup for 15 to 20 minutes. Stir in a 1/2 cup of uncooked small spinach or plain pasta and cook for 10 minutes or until the pasta is al dente. Add a 15-ounce can of cannellini beans with the liquid. Cook, stirring it occasionally until the beans are heated through. Ladle the soup into serving bowls and top it with some grated Parmesan cheese and some crusty bread on the side.